If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we're gonna go to the Play Store because we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we're gonna go to search, over here tap on the search field, and then we're gonna just write iPhone ringtone. We should be able to find multiple different apps that allow us to get the iPhone ringtone, so you can try pretty much any of them and try to set up the ringtone. However, in my case, I'm just gonna download this one over here. Feel free to try anything else, of course, but in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the ringtone based on this specific app over here. So let me show you how to set it up and how to get the ringtone. So once it is installed, we're just gonna open it. Of course, we need to press consent over here. And then let's wait for the next screen. Of course, you might see ads in the meantime, so we want to close them. We need to grant the permission for the app to access music and audio so that we can save audio files. So we need to save the ringtone on our phone. And then of course we need to grant the permission for the app to allow modifying system settings so that the app can set the ringtone for us. Over here we have iPhone ringtone, so we can tap on play on every single one of them that we wish to check out. And if you find your ringtone, then you should be able to tap on these three dots over here on the right side. And then we can press ringtone text button actually here at the bottom. Once again we see an ad, but we should be able to close it pretty soon. There we go. And then you should be able to see that we have set the ringtone successfully. So now what we're gonna do is check if the ringtone has been actually set. Alright, so let's see. And yeah, you might be able to hear it, but I actually managed to set up the iPhone ringtone. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.